Hello guys, after explaining the concept of surds, how to add, subtract or multiply, I am going to explain you a very good question of find the product of surds. Here you are seeing that this is what it is the cube root. This one is the fourth root and this one is the 12th root of 32. Right, here we are seeing that the base is same and this 32 can be written as the base of 2. So it is what 2 to the power 1 by 3, 2 to the power 1 by 4 and 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5, to the power 1 by 12, and by the property of exponent it can be written as a to the power mn. So this is what 2 raised to the power 1 by 3, then 2 raised to the power 1 by 4, then 2 raised to the power 5 by 12. If we will base are same, if we will add the power, we will get 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 12, and if I will take LCM, it will be 12. This is what 4, this is what 3, this is what 5, and it will become what 2 raised to the power 12 by 12, and this will cancel out. Then what is the answer? 2. So you can find the product of this surds in this way, and if you are getting the concept, so please go through the other videos also, in which I am going to complete the whole syllabus of class 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. Right, so first question is here for you. Now I am going to explain another question, right, that this is the concept of class 9th, surds and radicals. The one more example for you, under root 75 into under root 60 into under root 63 by root 40 into under root 200. So what is our main object now? What we will do, we will try to find out the factors of the given surds in such a way that we can take out some number from the square root. So we know that 75 can be written as 25 into 3, 60 can be written as 15 into 4, and 63 can be written as 9 into 7. In 40 we can write 4 into 10, and in 200 we can write 100 into 2. Here you are saying that this 25 is a perfect square, this 4 is a perfect square, this 9 is a perfect square, this is a perfect square, and this is a perfect square. So by taking these perfect square, I can write this 5 root 3, I can write this 2 under root 15, and I can write this 3 under root 7. Upon here is what 2 under root 10, and it one is what 10 under root 2. Right, here you are seeing that I can cancel out this, 5 into 2 is what 10 to 10 cancel. Now what is it in numerator? Root 3, root 15 I can write root 3 into root 5. This one is what 3 under root 7. Root 10 I can write root 5 into root 2, and this is what under root 2. Right, then root 5 cancel. What is left in the numerator? Root 3 into root 3. It will become what 3 into 3 into under root 7. This one is what root 2 into root 2, 2. So this will become 9 under root 7 by 2. So one more example I have done for you. Thank you so much. So 2 into 2 is what, I left here, so it will become 4. So one more example for you. Now I am going to explain another one example. So you can try the question of surds in this way. One more question for you. See, 4th root of 81 minus 8 cube root of 216 plus 15 fifth root of 32 plus 225. So please go through the symbols properly, what type of surds they are going to find out. Here you are seeing that 81, this is the 4th root of 81. Here 8 into this, and this is the cube root of 16. This one is what? 15, and it is what? 5th root of 32, and everyone knows 2 to 5 is a perfect square root of 15. This is what? 3 raised to the power 4 into 1 by 4. This is 8 into 6 cube, 6 to the power 3 into 1 by 3, plus 15 into 2 to the power into, here this symbol represent into 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 5 plus 15. So here we can cancel out this 4, this 3, this 5, this is what? 3, 8, 6, 48, 15 2 is a 30, plus 15, 15, 33. It will become 48 minus 48, and what is the result? 0. So please try to solve question in such a manner. Thank you so much.